Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. This is Shan Zen Zen and my vlog channel is called Shan Uni Vlogs JA. Alright, so today we're going to do some unboxing and this is Azania. I don't know what she's doing in my video. Alright, so this is my daughter. Right, so I got these gifts from some of my subscribers, so I thought that it would be cool to do a little unboxing and a semi unbagging kind of thing, because I had this one beneath my cupboard in my kitchen and the pipe was leaking and the box got wet, so it got torn up, so I had to put it in this bag to unbag it. Alright, so stop cutting it, girl.
Where's the tape? The extra
Yeah,
tape.
leave it. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start with the unbagging since it's already out of the box. Alright, I just put it in this bag, as I said, to just kind of, Right, so this is a slow cooker. Alright, let me bring it a little closer. And this slow cooker was given to me as a birthday gift by Miss Daphne. See, it comes with the little book and I think they have some recipe in there, some cautions and stuff like that. But this slow cooker holds up to 8 quarts. Right, so it's pretty big. So thank you so much, Miss Daphne, for my birthday gift. I appreciate it. And I love to cook, so I'm definitely going to use it. Alright, let's unbox this one now. I'm gonna let my daughter do the honors, cut the top of it.
Okay, right here.
No, cut it a little lower. Right, yeah. Alright. Good. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, so this now is peach, ground peach, because I love to do farming and gardening, all those good stuff. And this is some sunflower seeds, and some peach, ground peach. I want to say a big thank you to Miss Grace Thorpe from Atlanta, Georgia, who gave me these seeds as a little gift. Alright, she also gave me this box, so let's see what's in there. See, it says happy birthday, Shan. Alright, so let's unbox this one. Let's cut it. See,
Wait.
let's just cut the side here. Alright, you got it? Alright, so let's see what's in this one. Oh, let's put it up here. Okay.
Wow.
Alright, so this is actually a hand mixer, because Grace knows that I love to cook, I love to bake. So Grace Thorpe, thank you so much. Big up yourself in Atlanta, Georgia, for my hand mixer. Alright, thank you so much, Grace. So let's open this up and see what is inside. What is inside? Alright. Okay, hold this on me, babe. Okay, it's alright. Alright. Thank you, Grace.
And this is a whisk leg.
Yes, so it comes with 3 different types of whisk mixer whiskey thingy. Alright.
It comes with a basin also.
Oh, it comes with a basin.
Yeah. It's a
So you
special
put
one
it in
to
like
mix.
this.
Special basin to mix it in.
Alright. And you use a hand mixer. And it comes, I think it has 6 speeds. Yep. Okay, so it comes with, this is not a basin, baby. This is like a hole. This is something to keep it in.
Oh.
Like a storage. Okay, let me see. Oh, there we go. So this is like a storage, right? So you keep it like this.
And then the whisk and stuff are at the.
Yeah, you can just put them there. Right? But I also think that this, oh, no, you whisk. Yep. Alright, so on the box it says store these in it. So this is a storage. As I said, this is a storage.
The 2 holes.
Oh, it's hard to open. Okay. So this is a storage.
No, this part, Mommy, there's a hole in these 2
Yeah,
holes.
but you don't have to put it there. You just put it like this.
But it's.
No, then it's just ear hole. It's just ear hole. So you just put it like this in the storage, and there you go. And you're set. You store it like this. Thank you so much, Grace, for my brand new hand mixer. So thank you, Grace. And it comes with, of course, the instruction manual. Yeah. One more unboxing leave. So this is the last one that I'll be unboxing. Last but not least. Alright, and this one is from an anonymous donor from the USA. And what do we have here? Alright. This is actually a spray pan. It's a small spray pan for to spray insects. Alright, it says insecticide, 6-gallon insecticide sprayer. Alright, so I guess, oh, you can use this to measure. So this is a good thing to use. Alright, and this now, let's unbox. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright. Whoa, what is this thing? You're more excited than I am. Oh, it's a spray pan.
And it comes with this.
Oh, what's this?
It's like the thing that.
Okay, and it comes with, oh, it comes with a strap that you can put onto it. This actually comes with a manual as well, and it has a strap in there, you know, so I can put it across me and spray. Alright, so thanks to the anonymous donor again. It also comes with the hose that you attach to it and the nozzle. Alright, this is like the nozzle. And let me see it. And it's tough and sturdy. This is a nice spray pan, and thank you to the anonymous donor. So this was actually a gift for my farm. Alright?
It's so ticklish.
Oh, so it came with this
And it just.
hose.
And then it like makes a sound.
So I guess you have to attach. I'm gonna figure it out. But thank you so much.
That's nice.
Right? Yes, it is. Alright, so thank you all for these wonderful gifts. I really appreciate them. Each one of them. The hand mixer, the slow cooker, the spray pan, the seeds. Thank you guys so much for supporting and for giving back to me as someone who is always giving back to others. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. You gonna say bye? Bye.